So today we'll be talking about algebra, simple algebra. Okay, what is an algebra? Whenever an expression involves alphabets, whenever an expression contains alphabets, okay, it means it is an algebraic expression. It's an algebra. Okay, so and I know over time algebra has been a problem to students. Of course, it should be because um, imagining one adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing alphabets. Alphabets are not numbers, so it's not easy. So, but today I'm going to make it easy. Meanwhile, those of you who are watching, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, also share, okay, and like. All right. So we'll be talking about how to resolve algebraic expression. Now, I need you to listen to me. Algebraic expression can be resolved like this. Let me tell you the secret. So the secret is this I want to tell you. Now, there are rules, there are principles guiding the algebra or resolving algebraic expression. All right, what are the rules? Now, listen to me. Now, the rule says that you cannot add, subtract, divide. Okay, you cannot add, subtract, and what? Divide alphabets that are not the same. You cannot subtract, you cannot add, and you cannot divide different alphabets, but you can only multiply them. When they are different, you cannot add them, you cannot subtract them, you cannot divide them, but you can only multiply them. Is it really simple? The rule is simple. Okay, let's attend these questions. All right. Question 1 says A plus B. A plus B. Alphabets, we have 26 alphabets, and all of them are just on their own. Okay, A is as much as B, is as much as Z. Okay, they are just on their own. Okay, all right, it's just that they are different. So when you say A is different from B, you know that. So according to the rule, when the alphabets are not what? The same, what do you do? You cannot what? Add it. So A plus B, you cannot add it because the alphabets are different. This one is different from this, so I cannot. It's just like when you are giving a goat, one goat plus one dog. The goat and the dog, they are two different species, so you cannot add them. Or can you do? Can you add one goat and one dog? Okay, add it, and give me the result. All right, so A plus B will still be what? A plus B. You still leave it the way it is. Leave it the way it is because they are different. You cannot add it. That's the rule. One goat plus one dog. You cannot have two goat dog or goat dog. Okay, so it's not possible. So mathematics is applicable to our environment. That is why I'm trying to make it simple. Okay, so the next one is 2s plus y. 2s meaning two goats plus one dog. Okay, can you add them? Let's say you have two goats and you have one dog. Can you add them? No matter how you add it, they will still remain two goats and what? One dog. They will still remain like this because you cannot add them. So you leave it the way they are. This one is 5s plus 2. 5 goats plus ordinary 2. There is no alphabet here. So it means they are not the same. These two things are not the same. The 5s and the 2 are not the same. So there's no way you can add them. Okay? So you still leave it like that. 5s plus what? 2. Still leave it like that. Then the next one is 3y minus 4m. Check. The alphabets, are they the same? Are the alphabets the same? Once the alphabets are not the same, my brother, you cannot subtract them. You cannot subtract them. Are you seeing it? Just leave it like that. Okay? So 3 goats minus 4 fowls. Okay? You still remain 3 goats minus 4 fowls. You see how easy it is? Now the last one is minus 7a minus 5y. In our previous class, we have talked about addition and subtractions of direct numbers. Okay, where we say if the number is with a minus, you assume that you are owing. Okay, if a number is with plus, you assume that it is your own. Okay, so but this time around, we are talking about algebra, that is alphabets with them, with numbers. So what you are checking is this: you are owing 7 goats. You are also owing 5 fowls. That's the meaning. So where you are owing 7 goats, you are still owing 5 fowls. Okay, so it means you are still owing 7 goats and 5 fowls. Okay, so the answer will remain minus 7a minus 5y. Okay, now let me give you this last example. If you are owing 4 goats, but you have 3 fowls, okay? But you have 3 fowls. That is minus 4y plus 3z. You are owing 4 goats, but you have 3z. You are still owing 4 fowls, okay? And then you have 3z, because you cannot give the person you are owing goat fowl. Are you getting it? You are owing me goat. Okay, now you want to give me fowl. It's not possible. It's not true. I don't like fowl. Okay, so since the alphabets are not the same, it means that I cannot subtract, I cannot add, I cannot divide. Okay, now let's go to this one. This is 5y divided by 3c. What are you checking? Are the alphabets the same? No. If the alphabets are not the same, you cannot what? Divide them. So 5y divided by 3c is still the same thing. 5y over 3c. They are not the same. G divided by b, are they the same? No. So you still leave it like that. That's what I'm saying. Since the alphabets are not what? The same, you leave them like that. Okay, now I told us that